Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the best strategy to manage cash flow using Cash App. Alright, it's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time, so let's get straight into the video. Now, the best strategy to manage cash flow using Cash App is timing and balance control. Schedule income sources such as direct deposits to align with major expenses. Transfer excess funds to a linked bank account regularly to avoid cluttered balances. Track incoming and outgoing payments daily so that you always know your available funds. Use notes to identify recurring expenses and income patterns. Consistent monitoring helps you to anticipate shortages, also to avoid overdraft-like situations and maintain steady financial control. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here, useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.